Hey, what's up guys? On this brand new free web class, I will for the first time ever reveal how one man who was $20,000 in debt, living in a basement apartment, cracked the code to $25 million online success and now uses my power to unlock financial freedom for thousands of families across the world, helping them escape the 9-to-5 rat race, get out of debt and gain the freedom to live wherever they want without needing to create their own products, websites or personally sell anything themselves. Hey there guys, how's it going? It's Philip Johansson here and I'm so excited to be here today talking to you guys. I'm just going to put this out there right now. You are moments away from discovering one of the most powerful ways to generate income online, no matter who you are, what you are, or where you are in the world. Now, I am sure you may have heard that 100 times before, but in a moment I show you why my method is different and it's the only way if you are short on time, have zero tech skills or any skills for that matter and don't want to get into more debt just to get started. This is a complete new opportunity for everyone regardless of age or experience to make life-changing income online. And I guarantee that if you listen to everything I got to say inside this 100% free training video, you will unlock the exact blueprint I use to generate thousands of dollars every single day online while barely lifting a finger, because 90% of it is completely automated. And I even show you how to get my $25 million blueprint by paying nothing today. So make sure you stick till the end. Let me hear you in the chat if that's something you've been dreaming of your entire life. Okay, I can see people in the chat going bonkers with yeses. Alice, Michael, Billy, Lucy, Amanda, Roxy, Mike, James, Robert, John, David, Mary, Jennifer, Linda, Barbara, Susan, William, Jessica. Yes, perfect. That's exactly the kind of winning attitude that I was hoping to see today, because I'm sure I don't need to tell you that if you come into any kind of free training, whether that's for yourself, your business, whatever it is, with a negative mindset, in fact, if you approach anything in life with a negative attitude, then you're not going to get the full experience, trust me. One more thing guys, and this is the part of this training that I'm sure will get you really excited. The final secret I'm sharing with you today won't just help you start the next chapter of your life, but start it faster than you ever thought possible and make this whole thing go nuclear. And with that final secret comes a powerful guarantee you do not want to miss. So stick around and be prepared to be amazed. I hope you're ready to finally discover the secrets to building wealth online without the super steep learning curve. Because what I have discovered is the number one way to generate passive income online. And with my method, if you take action, it can all happen within 48 hours or less. But more on that later. But first, I need you to turn off your mobile phone or at least put it on silent. This way, you won't get distracted by notification and can give this training 100% of your attention. So if you just arrived, welcome to this free training session. I'm Philip Johansson and I'm here to show you how I went from $20,000 of debt, living in a basement apartment back in Denmark, yes, to building a $25 million business in less than 3 years and now living on the Palm in Dubai, even while sounding like a broken Arnold Schwarzenegger. Listen closely and you will see how it's possible to unlock your version of your dream life too, and faster than you ever thought possible. Just like all of these people here before you. Now, we have a lot of people here from a lot of different backgrounds, but I'm sure that you are all united by one of more following. Right now, you are slaving away inside of 9-to-5 job, desperate to provide a better way of life for you and your loved ones, looking for an alternative way to create an income. And then you might also sit and do nothing because you're so overwhelmed by all of the information out there. Believe me guys, you are more alike than you might think. And let's focus on the last one for a second here, okay guys? Because I want to quickly reference something that Warren Buffett once said that I heard at a young age, and it stuck with me my entire life. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Yes. Let's address the elephant in the room for a second here, guys. There is something else that unites all of you. You can't stand the thought of working until you're 67 or even older. You never sign up to be a slave to your job, but somehow it happened. You're desperate for the freedom to travel, do whatever you want, whenever you want, and live life on your terms. But you know that freedom is impossible without an income. So you are forced to work a job that you don't enjoy, that doesn't fulfill you or allow you to live the life you really want to live. And that's why you're all united by this desire to find a new way of earning. In fact, it's more than a want, it's a need. Because you simply cannot keep living every single day like it's already been laid out for you. For example, wake up, go to work 9 to 5, go home, make dinner, spend 1 to 2 hours with your family, go to bed, repeat. And let's face it, those 1 to 2 hours of your time are mostly spent stressing about work, bills, or something similar. So you can never truly relax and enjoy that time anyway. Am I right? And that is why you probably already tried various ways of making money online to supplement your income, or maybe even with the dream of replacing your 9 to 5 job altogether. But we will talk more about all of that in just a second, because first I want to tell you that, believe it or not, I was in the same position as you not that long ago. As you might know, I'm from Denmark, which is why I sound like a broken Arnold Schwarzenegger, okay? I just want to quickly share this story with you to let you know that I'm a real person who has real dreams, a real family, and so on. I used to work as a plumber, working 10 to 12 hours a day. It wasn't my business, so I was working my ass off to make someone else rich. I was sitting in traffic jams for 2 to 3 hours per day, and as you know, you can only work so long with that realization before you decide you have to do something about it. I didn't want to work 40 plus years on a low salary just to live off a tiny pension for the rest of my life. Okay, guys? So while I was sitting in traffic jams for like 2 or 3 hours every single day, I had to drive to the big city in Denmark, which were Copenhagen, and I was sitting there in traffic jams, and I was thinking, okay, this is the rest of my life. This can't be it, right? And I was working for all of the people that had all of the big cars and the big houses, and I was like, how do all of these people make all of this money and support their families when I can barely get by with my salary working 10 to 12 hours a day? And I knew there was another way, but I didn't know what it was. And it actually drove me into poor frustration and a depression. And I ended up hanging with the wrong people, and I ended up taking a lot of drugs, a lot of steroids, and a lot of party. And party. And it actually got so bad, so I had to go to the hospital. And my doctor told me my kidney number was higher than a cancer patient. And I didn't care. I went out, I took more drugs, more steroids, more party, until one day my family slapped me in the face and said, Philip, what the F are you doing? Can't you see all of these people are getting sad if you died in an early age? Long story short, my family saved my life. And this photo is very special to me because this was one of the first times I ever felt normal again after years of alcohol and substance abuse, guys. And only then did I have the motivation to make a truly positive change in my life, because I found my purpose, found my why, and that was my family. Because they saved me from dying at an early age, I wanted to give them everything, guys. And like many other people, I spent hours researching different side hustles, buying courses, and investing thousands in experts and gurus. And like so many other people, I lost everything. I had to sell my house, my car, my girlfriend left me. I even pushed some of my closest family away because I had to borrow money from them. I ended up living in a basement where my head was hitting the ceiling, and all I had was a bed, a computer, and an internet connection. After cleaning up my life, after they slapped me in the face, I somehow hit rock bottom again. And like I was saying earlier, creating income was now more than just a want, it was a need. And I know it's not just a want for you too, it's a need. Because with the current cost of living, inflation rates going up, and life just becoming more and more difficult every single day, financial security is more important than ever. And the past few years have shown that we can't assume that things will work themselves out. Just look at COVID-19, right? Look at what happened then, and look at what's happening again now. People are losing their jobs, can't pay their mortgage, and can't pay their bills. I've had friends who have lost relationships over the last couple of years because money became a daily argument. Something has to be done. If you're like I was when I lived in a basement, you're probably a member of countless online groups trying to figure this thing out. You've seen people pitching their own product and courses even while they made zero money themselves. Well done if you avoided getting scammed. You've seen the Forex trading bots promising you passive income. Well done if you also avoided all of them so far. You've seen the tricksters offering you 100% of the sale, but only if you buy into their program. This is in the eyes of FTC a definition of a pyramid scheme, and it also in the eyes of FTC deceiving because you have to buy their program in order to get it. This is why these companies and offers are coming and going just like weed, and if they get shut down, guess what? You also lose your business in a blink of an eye. You watch the countless of YouTube gurus offering their 2 cents. Maybe you also try to follow their methods, but since you're here, I'm guessing they were liars or scammers. Maybe you lost money on the latest trend like crypto and meme coins, and if that's the case, I'm sorry to hear that I personally lost thousands of dollars on it, so you are absolutely not alone, okay? But most importantly, you haven't given up. And that's despite the fact that you've probably already tried everything. Let's take a look at some of the methods I tried while trying to make an income online. Dropshipping. Sounds good on the surface, right? You don't actually have to create and store your own products yourself and so on, but think about it. You have to do your own marketing and copywriting. You have to spend hours researching products. You have to handle payments, refunds, customer service, merchant accounts, and so on. And you rely on so many other factors to make a business work, which you have zero control over, like Facebook ads getting banned and so on. Plus, this business model costs thousands to set up. They don't tell you that. And you don't even have a guarantee that your products will sell anyway because there is so much competition. It's crazy. And the profit margins aren't even that good, as little as 5% in most cases. Okay, let's look at Amazon FBA. I'm sure you have seen plenty of courses offering this as a passive income solution online. Maybe you tried one already. Again, it sounds great on the surface. Choose a product that makes money on Amazon, sort your own version of it, and then watch the profits roll in. That's the kind of sales brief those courses suck you in with. But again, you have to spend hours researching products, you have to pay a lot to get your product listed high enough, and you have to spend at least $3,000 for Amazon to stock your product, and you don't even know whether the products you own will sell. Now, okay, the profit margin is a little bit higher for this, but listen, this is why you should never go for this business model. The big guys will kick you out. The companies that have been doing this for years have crazy expensive software that allows them to make their prices lower than yours and ultimately get the clicks and the sales. And trust me, you cannot compete with that kind of software and their capital. I personally lost $5,000 in this business model because they don't tell you the full pictures. So with that being said, I think it's time that I introduce you to my method. This business model has consistently allowed me to make thousands of dollars every single day without needing to spend a cent on paid advertising, without needing to have or grow a big social media following, without needing to be a sleazy salesperson, without worrying about competition, without needing expensive equipment or softwares, without any previous experience. And here's the proof. As you can see from those figures, on some days I'm making more than the average American makes in a month. But sure, I know what you're thinking. At the end of the day, those are just numbers on a screen, right? So I want you to take a look at this video where you can see in real time that I really can create that kind of money without lifting a finger.
And when you're mine, to feel your heart in my side, waking up is fright.
Hey, what's up guys? So, I'm down at the gym, and if you can see the time up there at the clock, right? I'm gonna show you something. Stick on. So, as you see guys, I'm making passive income, okay? And that is only possible if you learn how to do it the right way, how to set up systems and processes and building a real business online, okay? Then you can go out and enjoy, work out, spend time with your family, go out and eat and spend money knowing that you actually make money while you actually spend money.
Tell me what you feel, mother. 'Cause I can't ever get enough.
So yeah guys, it's the proof, and it's not just me. This is Nanda, $11,148 last 30 days and quit her 9-to-5 job.
Hello, Nanda Brom here, and I wanted to shoot this quick video for Phil and give him a massive shout out because, let me show you. Boom! 11,000 in the last 30 days. If I go up here, you can see this is my account, Nanda Brom, and this is what I made in the last 30 days. Here's in the last 7 days, over $2,000, and yesterday over $400, and today over $500. So, listen, you can do the same. You just have to take action. And this is all thanks to Phil and Dan. And I just want to say that I used to be miserable before. I used to have a 9-to-5 job. I used to commute every single day to something that I did not enjoy whatsoever. Now I work completely online. I don't work 9 to 5 anymore, and I'm making a lot more than I did when I had that office job. I don't have to travel to anywhere to work or whatever, and I don't have to deal with stupid office politics. I think you know what I'm talking about if you do have an office 9-to-5 job. Anyway, take action. You can do the same. I'm telling you. Okay? Bye.
She's so sweet. And this is Mel from $60,000 in debt to $390,000 in 9 months. And this is Johnny Rose, $590 within a few hours. And this is John Newman making $8,678 last 30 days. And I believe this picture is in Mexico. And I don't believe it's a Heineken. I can't see what kind of beer it is. But John Newman had a big goal of traveling the world and taste all kind of beers with his wife. And now he can do that. How crazy is that, right, guys? And so let's reveal the big secret. What is the system that allows me to earn thousands of dollars every single day without handling any payments, shipping, or refunds, without having to create social media ads, without having to pay for advertising, without needing expensive tech, without having to talk to hundreds of people one-on-one on Messenger, without building a team? Affiliate marketing. A lot of you might hear those words and your gut reaction is to click the X button and quit this training session immediately. But that's because, again, there are countless gurus online who have previously shown you the wrong way to go about it. With my method, this business model is practically unstoppable, and I explain why in just a moment. But first, let me take you through why affiliate marketing is the superior solution and the only way to generate the most money in the shortest period of time, even if you're a single mom or work 2 jobs. Reason number 1, startup costs are minimal or basically free. You don't pay for shipping, Facebook ads, customer service, or traffic. All your pay is around $20 a month for automation. Reason number 2, profit margins are so much higher than you think, as high as 85 to 90% in some cases. Just to give you an example, this is not a guarantee that you will make this, it is simple an example. If you make $1,000 per day and with an 85 to 90% profit margin, we could net over $300,000 in a single year net profit money in the bank. Reason number 3, you can do this on your own. You're not relying on other people in other countries and factors you have zero control over. You can achieve financial freedom just being yourself. How crazy is that, guys? Now, if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, or if a guru has given you an incorrect breakdown of what it is, listen closely and I explain it all to you now. Affiliate marketing is not a new thing. As much as many gurus will say that it is, it's actually been around since before the internet even existed. The simplest way of explaining affiliate marketing is by comparing it to a car salesman. You don't make the car, all you have to do is find someone who wants to buy the car. Then you get a commission. It's as simple as that. In affiliate marketing, you direct customers to someone else's product and receive a commission if they buy it. But as I mentioned earlier, unlike many car salesmen, as an affiliate marketer, we don't have to be sleazy or pushy. I'll explain why in a moment. But first, I want to address this. Why does this system work? Because business owners would rather pay you to advertise their products than Facebook or any types of social media advertising, especially when Facebook is already so saturated and full of other businesses selling the exact same product. It's expensive and there is no guarantee it will work. And with the way social media and marketing come together today, people would rather buy from other people who they know, trust, and actually like. You might think that surely it's impossible to be an affiliate marketer without doing what's mentioned in the name, marketing. aka being salesy and fake, pushing products you never buy yourself, sliding into people's DMs. So I want to show you exactly why you don't need to be a marketing and sales wizard to be an affiliate marketer today. Let's break down the 5 most common myths around affiliate marketing. And I can almost guarantee that you will have believed in at least one of these before today because of an online guru who doesn't know what he's talking about. Myth number 1, affiliate marketing is saturated. Now, all through, there will always be someone else out there doing the exact same thing as you. That doesn't mean you can't succeed. Okay, guys, get that out of your head. Remember what I said at the start of this training about having a negative attitude? If you believe you will fail, that is the reality you create for yourself. But there are plenty of products out there that can help you stand out from the crowd and be truly unique. If you're 100% unique, the market will never be saturated, okay? For example, everybody is on the picture on the left, and everybody is selling the picture on the left, and everybody is doing the exact same thing. So you won't stand out, you won't be unique. But with my method, you are like the picture on the right. You have a luxury yacht, and you have a full ocean full of buyers. More on that later. Myth number 2, affiliate marketing is all about spamming links. I'm sure doing your searches online for legit ways to increase your income, you come across posts like this, right? I'm sure you guys are all smart enough to know that if you see someone post a link like that, you don't click it. Okay, guys, this kind of posting is wrong in so many levels. It should be illegal, and if I'm honest, I don't even know why it's not. This is not what affiliate marketing is. These are scammers who are trying to empty innocent people's bank accounts. Myth number 3, doing too much. The vast majority of gurus will tell you that to be a successful affiliate marketer, your face needs to be everywhere. But that's not the case. You don't have to make videos on every social media platform. You don't have to make complicated sales funnels. You don't have to message people like a sleazy salesman. When you're doing all of those things and you actually break down how much you are working compared to how much you're earning, it just doesn't make sense. So, as I mentioned before, this is why you do not need sales experience, marketing experience, or technical skills to make this work. Let me share a little reminder with you that has allowed me to continue to be financially successful all this time without sacrificing my freedom. KISS. Keep it super simple. Myth number 4, YouTube videos are all you need. If you're like me, you have spent a significant amount of time falling down the YouTube rabbit holes trying to discover the secrets to making money online. If you ever try to follow what the gurus in these videos are telling you, this is basically guaranteed to happen. You will end up more confused than you started. And that's because you're only getting a snapshot of their solution, not the full picture. You're only getting a small piece of the puzzle, so you will never be able to replicate their success. So ultimately, these free YouTube videos are a total waste of time, guys. Okay? Trust me, I have watched so many of them, and I can say this with 100% confidence. They will get you nowhere. Myth number 5, you don't need a mentor. Again, when a lot of these gurus on YouTube are supposedly offering their guidance for free, why would you ever think to pay someone else to show you how to do it? But the difference in quality between that free content and the advice that someone gives you personally to you is huge. And I know this from experience. I paid over $300,000 for mentorship after years of frustration watching YouTube videos and not getting results. But it was one of the best decisions of my life. Now, I'm not saying you need to cripple yourself financially to get the support you need. But if you can take that opportunity to invest in yourself and in your future, it will be worth it. Trust me, I was sweating buckets when I first handed over a check for a mentorship program, but it really was worth it. When I started to invest in myself, when I stopped consuming free content, things started to happen for me. And I want to quote something from Think and Grow Rich. When riches begin to come, they come so quickly in such great abundance that one wonders where they have been hiding all of these lean years. I went on to be the top 1% affiliate in one of the leading affiliate marketing networks on the planet and generated more than $233,000 in just 6 months. This was despite failing for 2 years. I never made a single dime online trying to do it all on my own. Once I invested in the right mentor, my income went bonkers. Now that I've shown you what not to believe, let me show you how you can effortlessly make money using affiliate marketing. And in order to do that, you need to understand one thing more than any other. The make or break factor for any affiliate marketer online is traffic. No traffic equals no sales, equals no profit, equals failure. It's a pretty straightforward thing to understand, right? No traffic coming in means your business is doomed to fail, and equally, the more traffic you can get, the higher your earnings will be. This is why you often hear people talking about paid traffic. In other words, paying to ensure your online business gets the traffic you need. This can be through Google ads, social media ads, website ads, and so on. It sounds great in theory, but you have to spend thousands on testing without getting sales, countless of sleepless nights worrying about bleeding money. It will take weeks, if not months, to find the winning advertisement, if you ever will. You need to be an expert in sales, marketing, and copywriting. In other words, you risk the number one thing you're trying to gain: money. There are zero guarantees. Many times it's a hit or miss. When you're looking for a strategy that can help you scale in a way that's reliable and sustainable, this isn't it. So what's the alternative? Free traffic. Given how much we talk about the saturated online world, I'm sure it might be hard to believe you can get the results you need without spending thousands of dollars. But it's true. And you are guaranteed to make a profit because you're not spending a single cent to get clicks. Make sense, guys? So this is Dan, $37,000 last 30 days using free traffic. And he says, hey bro, just made $37,000 in the last 30 days, all from free traffic. This shit works, man. This beep works, man. With free traffic, we can target as many buyers as we want, avoid getting weighed down with technical skills we don't understand, like Facebook pixels, tracking codes, you name it, and we risk zero of our money. With paid traffic, you are literally burning your money without knowing if you will make it back. With free traffic, the only way you can go is up. Now it's time for the big secret here, guys, because I'm going to reveal exactly where you need to go to source unlimited free traffic, because it doesn't come from thin air. You have to find it. Where do you think most people will turn? Think about it for a moment and put your answer in the chat. Okay, let's see here. Okay, people are saying stuff like YouTube videos, blog posts, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, friends and family. Definitely not that. Definitely not friends and family. Networking events, lots of good answers there, but this is the secret. Instagram. Well done if you got that right. Instagram is a money-making machine right now, and let me explain why you need to use Instagram over any other platform. Because like I said earlier, I like to keep things simple. We don't want to manage countless social media accounts at once. We want it simple. Right now, TikTok is king. Now, you might think I made a mistake there, as I just told you to use Instagram. But listen here, guys. TikTok was the most downloaded app in 2023 and has more than 4.7 billion downloads all around the world. And I'm sure if you look around, you'll probably see way more young people using it than Instagram. And the stats do show that TikTok has blown the competition out of the water. But here's what you need to know. They are taking so many people away from other platforms like YouTube and Instagram, are trying so hard to push their reels and shorts just to compete. And that leads me to why you need to use Instagram. Instagram is so desperate to get people back on their site, they will promote your content for absolute nothing. Let me explain what I mean. I recently created a brand new Instagram account. In other words, no followers, no reputation, no brand, no nothing, and filmed a few reels. With just, I think, around 8 followers to my name. My reels ended up getting thousands of views in a couple of hours, not days, not weeks or months, days. With no brand, no name, no followers. This 100% proof that anyone can get the free traffic they need on Instagram right now without doing any of the heavy lifting. For example, recording long 10 to 20 minutes YouTube videos or slide into people's messengers on Facebook for hours a day and get screamed at. Nobody wants that. Instagram is literally rewarding people for using their platform. And how long did it take me to shoot and upload? Less than a minute without even talking. Who want to see how easy this is? We got some, yes, Philip, show me, yes, okay. Look how easy it was for me to generate job-crushing income.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June.
That's it, guys. I'm literally sitting in a chair and do nothing and just put some text on the screen and it got thousands of views with a brand new Instagram account. The last couple of days, commission have been coming in while I've been sleeping. Karen, there is a new savior in town, guys. It's Instagram, the powerhouse of free unlimited traffic instantly. But I know that a lot of you guys watching this don't want to have your face all over social media. You'd rather not to do that. So listen up. Let me share one simple hack that allows you to succeed as an affiliate marketer without showing your face. All you have to do is this. Use other people's content. You can take footage from YouTube, clips of celebrities, photos of artwork, whatever it may be, and use it on your account. You can literally copy and paste content from elsewhere and use it to create life-changing income. And who can't copy and paste? But now you might have some questions. What do I say in the videos? What do I write in the videos? What do I write in my captions? What is the best hashtag combination? What do I write in my bio? And you probably have countless of questions. And I got you. Say hello to the AI revolution. AI can now create all of that by typing a few words into a free website. What you see here on the screen right now is purely generated by AI and are getting hundreds of thousands of views and even millions of views for free. Everybody watching this training right now is capable of this. Whether you're 8 years old or 66 years old or 68 years old, you can do this. If you can copy and paste, you have everything you need to generate income online using this business model. The only thing you have to do is put the link to the affiliate product in your profile, because that's the only place you can put active links on Instagram, and that's it. If you're looking to get out of your 9 to 5, get out of debt, achieve true time, money, and location freedom without risking thousands and maybe years of your life, this is the way. And it can all be done just by using your mobile phone. And once you get the hang of things, it's possible to generate thousands of dollars in the space of a day. That's what some affiliates are earning right now using this strategy. And just like that, guys, you learned everything there is to know about mastering the basis of affiliate marketing. Doesn't it seem so much simpler when a guru hasn't overcomplicated it? It doesn't have to be difficult. In fact, it is so simple that you can literally leave this training session now and get started immediately. But let's stop and think about this for 1 second. Let's remind ourselves why you're here. You're not here because you want to have a side hustle. If that was all you wanted, I'm 99% sure that you have already found a business model that suited you and your lifestyle that could generate a few extra $100 for you in a week or something like that. But that's not what you're after, right? You want to break free of the 9 to 5 and live life on your terms from now on. Am I right? Isn't that true? I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Most affiliate marketers make very little money. A lot of affiliate marketers choose to use sites like ClickBank, right? The average sale on ClickBank is about $50. That means to create job replacing income, you need hundreds of unique buyers every single month. That's difficult even for those with experience, but for a beginner, it's nearly impossible. But if you promote high ticket product, let's say something that could net you $1,000 commission per sale, that is just an example. You only need 10 sales to earn $10,000 a month, more than enough to quit your job, pay off unwanted debt, and live the life you always dream of, right? And with Instagram, thanks to the viral algorithm I mentioned, making 10 sales is super easy. Don't you think it's easier to find 10 people each month instead of 200 to buy your affiliate products? This is what the top affiliates are doing to finally live a life of time and location freedom. I made this switch from low ticket offers to high ticket offers and went from $5,000 a month to making over $1 million a month. So let me put it into perspective, and this is just an example, guys. So high ticket equal $1,000 commission per sale. That means if you make 5 sales of $1,000, that's $5,000 a month or $60,000 a year. 10 sales of $1,000 is $10,000 a month or $120,000 a year. 20 sales of $1,000, that is equal to $20,000 a month or $240,000 a year. High ticket $2,000 commission per sale, 5 sales of $2,000 is equal $10,000 a month or $120,000 a year. That's just 5 sales a month. That's 5 people, okay? 10 sales of $2,000, $20,000 a month or $240,000 a year. 20 sales of $2,000 is $40,000 a month or $480,000 a year. Now, high ticket, this is only an example. High ticket $5,000 commission per sale. 5 sales of $5,000 is $25,000 a month or $300,000 a year. 10 sales of $5,000 is $50,000 a month or $600,000 a year. 20 sales of $5,000 is $100,000 a month or $1.2 million a year. You can make the same amount of money as a product creator makes when you promote high ticket products without all of the headaches and stress. How much can you really make? Well, let's ask Dan. I believe Dan is in London now and he made $43,000 last 30 days and he took his whole family to London. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to go nuclear and learn how to potentially 10x your income in 10x less time? Let me explain. People are quitting their job, getting out of debt, and traveling the world simply by putting out 7-second videos on Instagram. And then it looks like this, right? So there is the growth and then the income. It steadily grows, right? If you're consistent, it keeps growing. The people who have done it in 10x less time, they reinvest their first sale to multiply their income and growth. There are pages on Instagram with huge followings just like this one. They are willing to shout out your Instagram account, your post, your stories, your high ticket offers and so on. It's possible to get your affiliate offer out to millions of people for under $20. A crazy return on your investment to potentially explode your results. So if you take your first sale, example $1,000, and invested it into shoutouts just as I mentioned, you stand to get your affiliate offer out to 10 million plus people instantly. This is how my income went nuclear. So you see the growth and the income. When I made my first sale, I took that money and reinvested it and then it just spiked and then I took 2 sales and reinvested it again and then it just went nuclear. I took $1,000 and turned it into $9,400 in 7 days. That's 9 times return on investment. 9. I gained 4,105 new real followers within days, not bots, but real human followers. If just 2 more people buy out of the 4,105 new followers, I make 12 times my money back without any more work. Imagine if 10 out of the 4,105 people buy. Starting to see the big picture here, guys. I kept putting out videos and turning my newly gained followers into sales, and I have found the license to print money. I just kept repeating the process and now I gain thousands of real followers every single day. And of course, you know what follows. I literally make high ticket sales like clockwork. You see here a minute ago, $2,000, 4 minutes ago, $2,200, 29 minutes ago, 2,231 minutes ago, that's 2 minutes after, $2,500, 40 minutes, that's 9 minutes after, that's $6,000. A few seconds ago, 2,221 minutes ago, $10,000, and you start to get the picture here. If you use the affiliate marketing business model I've revealed it to you today, you have everything you need to start earning online. But how much you'll make depends on several things. How much you stand out. Remember what I said earlier about being unique? How many businesses will approve you to promote their high-ticket products? Which products you choose to promote, that is very important. How many people go and buy the products you're promoting? Because that's the thing, guys. Getting views is not the same as getting clicks, which is not the same as getting sales, okay? Let me say that again. Getting views is not the same as getting clicks, which is not the same as getting sales, okay? Affiliate marketing is like a game of chess. It's easy to learn, but it's hard to master without the right strategy. And as I mentioned earlier, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme that will get you the results you want in seconds. This isn't like that at all, okay? Even though this is a way to make money far more easily than a 9-to-5 job, it still does require some work. So if you're not feeling confident enough to walk away from this training right now and do all of this on your own, don't panic, because I do have an extra secret that I think you might be interested in. The one I mentioned at the start of this training session that will help you start and scale faster than you ever thought possible. Now, if you think you can go out there and get started immediately, that's great. Thank you for coming, and I hope you get the results you need. But for those of you who feel like you need a little help in this new, exciting adventure, let me ask you a couple of questions. Will you be satisfied with only seeing a small change in your life? Or will you only be satisfied with huge, crazy, outrageous changes? Because if you're like me, still having to work 8 hours a day, tie yourself to a desk somewhere and say no to things you really want to do is not the life you want. I know you want more than that. I know you want to take charge of your financial future and achieve extraordinary things in your life. You want more than just to earn a few extra $100 a month, right? You want to do what the top 1% of affiliates are doing, where they're earning hundreds and even thousands of dollars every day. That's what you really want, right? Well, the final secret of today is that I know a place that can help you start and scale as an affiliate marketer in record time, and even have me and my team build out your 90% automated online business for you. So if you guys are interested, would you like me to reveal the details to you while we are still all together? Yes, Philip, show me. Okay, perfect. Let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Now, it's easy to look at me and think that I've got something going for me that I'm not telling you. Remember how I said earlier that gurus don't give you the full picture? The fact is, I am just like you. I'm Danish and you're probably not. But aside from that, I have no special qualities that you don't also possess. There is nothing about my life that you can't achieve. But with that being said, I reached new heights of success and built a multiple 8-figure-a-year business in less than 3 years thanks to one specific blueprint. But this blueprint isn't something that only worked for me. It's a blueprint anyone can use to start writing their own affiliate marketing success story in a matter of days. Just copy and paste. Yes, I am literally giving you permission to copy and paste my multiple 8-figure online business model, which you can leverage to unlock the dream lifestyle you always wanted. Think about that. Your own business, 90% done for you. A reminder of what that business looks like. Take a simple viral video that somebody else created or create content of your own, and this can be done without even showing your face. Re-upload or recreate the video on a new Instagram account. Get tons of views for free thanks to Instagram's viral video algorithm boost. Redirect viewers to high-ticket products through a link in your bio. Get paid commissions if/when people buy. Then rinse and repeat the process. That's it. And how does my proven way of working change everything for you? It can show you how to achieve your dream life just with the power of Instagram. It can show you exactly how I went from $20,000 in debt living in a basement with only a beat up smartphone, a 16-year-old computer and an internet connection to making multiple 8 figures a year in less than 3 years. It can automate 90% of the heavy lifting so you can do this in your spare time even while being a single mom or working 2 jobs. It can help you quit your job, provide for the people you love, and create the life of your dreams, and so much more. Guys, how good does all of that sound? So without any further delay, let me reveal exactly how you can have me and my team build your new 90% automated affiliate marketing business for you so you can start building a life where all of this is possible. Let me introduce you to the High Achiever Done For You system. And what this is, it's very simple. This is a mentorship program run by me where 90% of the work is automated and done for you. So you can potentially skyrocket your income even if you're starting from zero, without ever worrying about creating products, selling products, running paid ads, or even having a website. Think about what that means for you for a second. I know so many people who have had all of the ideas and inspiration to start a business on their own, but have been ultimately put off by the technical aspect. But guys, with the High Achiever Done For You, you don't have to worry about any of the behind-scenes tech. For example, building funnels, beating the social media algorithm, finding and buying a domain name, connecting everything together, finding proven high-ticket products to promote. 90% of the work is done for you. But I know what you're thinking. What about the other 10%, Philip? No system truly works without some input from you. But just as we talked about earlier, all you're doing is creating content and directing customers to products. That's it. You simply copy and paste what I tell you to do, and while my team does 90% of the work, we'll even show you step by step over the shoulder how to do the remaining 10%. Zero guesswork, zero stress, I do it for you. So what exactly is included in the High Achiever Done For You? Let me break it down for you. Complete done-for-you setup of your new online business with funnels, pages, email, automation, and offers. Total value of $9,997. I know it might seem completely crazy for me to do something like this, but hear me out. I spent months of my life functioning on autopilot, depressed as hell, not caring what happened to me because I felt that low. I don't want anyone else out there to feel like that. And while I stand by the fact that you can't change your life instantly and need to put the work in to change your circumstances, I can at least give you a business you can set up and start overnight. And when I say overnight, I mean it, because all of the normal time-consuming, energy-sapping, bang your head against the desk stuff is taken care of by me and my team. We will set up your very own 90% automated online business for you. We even connect it with proven high-ticket offers that people already want to buy. You also get 1 year of membership inside the High Achiever Society worth $997 per year now for free, where we will mentor you, provide you with the community of like-minded people, and teach you the art of high-ticket affiliate marketing and how you can leverage it to potentially unlock your dream lifestyle, financial security, time freedom, and a way out of the rat race for you and your loved ones forever. Inside, thousands of people are waiting for you, including some of the top 1% affiliate marketers in the world, ready to help mentor you every week and push your life to new heights. 1 year of funnel building software paid for you worth $1,164 per year now for free. Yes, guys, we paid this for you. So to set up your business following my proven strategies, we use automation software, a piece of software that you normally have to pay for on a subscription basis every month. We will build your business and even pay for the automation software for you, so you don't have to spend a single cent on this software, saving you potentially thousands of dollars a year. Then you also get affiliate marketing mastery. So we talked earlier about affiliate marketing being like chess. This is the part of the program where I show you how to become a grand master. I show you how my top students scale to multiple 6 figures per year, still only using free traffic, and build an affiliate marketing business that pays us for a lifetime. You will learn how to fully automate your business for higher conversions, as well as next level strategies for next level growth. Then you also get internet traffic mastery. This is your chance to unlock the secrets to generating huge traffic still without paying a single cent. You will learn the language of traffic and how you not only increase the number of clicks your links get, but also how much more money you can make. This is the only course you will ever need on traffic generation. And it's so simple that even a child can do it. Remember, simple works. You get 1 weekly live course with me. And this is so important because I believe that everyone is different and deserve to receive a personalized service. And now you have the opportunity to get it directly from the best in the industry. You have unique strength that you can use to generate further success in your business. Every single week, you will get a group call with me where we'll go through students' materials and I give you feedback to fast track your success, because I want to see every one of my students reach their potential and then exceed it. As you probably know by now, I lost $20,000 on broken methods and fake gurus, and I promised my mom, if I ever figure this thing out here, I will share it with as many people as possible, and I will never be that guy that left other people hanging. Then you also get the 90-day step-by-step action plan I would follow if I lost it all. After finally cracking the code and discovering a business model that worked, I made $233,000 in 6 months online. Since then, I've learned a lot about my industry, my business, and my mindset. And that's how I know if I had to go back and start this journey again as a nobody, I'd be able to get the same results in half the time. And yeah, sure, I could just follow the same 6-month process, but I'd much rather cut out all of the mistakes, all of the frustrations, all of the tears, all of the sleepless nights, and seriously trim the freaking fat from all of the courses and mentorship I invested in. Call me crazy, but on this training only, you have the chance to get that action plan to give to yourself so you can get the flying start that you actually want. You also get a 30-minute one-on-one strategy accelerator call. As the famous Arnold Schwarzenegger says, the first rule of success is to have a vision. You see, if you don't have a vision and if you don't have a goal where to go, you drift around and you never end up anywhere. It's like if you have the best ship or the best airplane in the world, but if the pilot or the captain doesn't know where to go, it will just drift around and end up nowhere and most likely in the wrong place. So I want to spend my money on a dedicated expert to make sure we identify your vision and give you a clear directions on where you should go so you won't drift around and don't end up in the wrong place. Now we have given you the ship, aka the done-for-you business we built for you that can take you to your goal. And with this strategy call, we make sure the captain, aka you, actually knows how to get there the fastest. Plus exclusive done-for-you offers. This is where I share with you exactly how you can get some of the best offers on the market, guys, where we are talking big money here, like private jet and luxury yacht money. And every single one of those offers will be completely installed for you. With this, the sky is the limit. So let's put it all together real quick. With the High Achiever Done For You, you get complete Done For You setup of your new online business, 1 year of membership inside the High Achiever Society, 1 year of funnel building software paid for you, affiliate marketing mastery, internet traffic mastery, weekly live calls with me, aka Philip Johansson, the 90-day step-by-step action plan I would follow if I lost it all, 30-minute one-on-one strategy accelerator call, plus exclusive done-for-you offers. Guys, how good does all of that sound? Oh my God, Philip, that's crazy. Okay, amazing. Now with all of that put together, you might be feeling a little overwhelmed, but you don't have to worry about anything, okay? With the High Achiever Done For You, you don't have to spend hours stressing about creating content for social media. When you can literally just copy and paste and even use AI, there's absolute nothing to worry about. And even with Instagram Reels, you don't have to do stupid dance moves or the latest trend. Trust me, you will not see me dancing in a single video, and most of my students don't either. But that doesn't stop us from living like the Kardashians using this system. You also don't have to spend money on ClickFunnels or other softwares to get sales. Spend time and money on social media advertising. Slave away 6 hours a day selling a $50 product. If you want to make truly passive income that's consistent, this is the way. Guys, I know you don't want to see dollars dripping into your account like trying to fill a bathtub with a faulty bathroom faucet. You want to have the cash flowing like a strip club in Vegas, right? I know that sounds ridiculous, but that is the level of success we want, right? So how do we make it rain money like a strip club in Vegas with zero skills? With a complete done-for-you business. Sit back, kick your feet up, and relax. You don't have to worry about any aspects of the business building process. My team and I are on it. A fully operational opt-in page, 100% done for you. A fully functional funnel, 100% done for you. Cutting edge copywriting, 100% done for you. Dynamic design, 100% done for you. Legendary logos, 100% done for you. All the authority, 100% done for you. Trustworthy testimonials, 100% done for you. High converting emails, 100% done for you. We even host the funnel inside our automation software and set up the domain and hosting so you save $97 a month. Seriously, I wasn't kidding when I said my team and I do 90% of the hard work for you. But let me just say this. Sure, the idea of money raining down on you while you do whatever you want is a very sexy idea. It's not about the money, guys. It's about what the money can do. It gives you time. It gives you freedom. It allows you to make memories that will last for a lifetime. It allows you to support the people you love the most. One of the first things I did when I started making life-changing money with this very same system was that I bought my mom a new car. My mom was the only person who stood by me through everything. She was still lending me money to support me when everyone else had turned their back on me. I will be forever grateful for her help, as I wouldn't be where I am today without her. I doubled down on what worked and kept repeating the process, and now I bought her dream car, a Mercedes AMG. Now I completely retired her, and she does not need to work a single day for the rest of her life and can finally enjoy early retirement. And I'm sure many of you want that for yourself and your own parents too. Am I right? And my dad's house burned down, and the insurance company didn't want to pay him at first because they thought he set the fire. And he pretty much lost everything. He lost his house, he lost his wallet, he lost all of his furniture, and he was an old school man, so he stacked money around the house. So literally, guys, he lost everything. And because I went all in and decided to change my life and the life of the people around me, I was able to give him a brand new apartment, fully furniture, new clothes, a wallet, shoes, and everything. When my dad needed me the most, I was there to help him. My brother lost his job due to COVID, and I almost had to sell his car and house just to be financially stable. However, due to my online business, I managed to lend a helping hand so he did not have to sell his assets. My dad recently passed away from cancer at 66 years old. I'm sorry, guys, I'm getting a little bit emotional here. He had to spend all of his money on medication and treatments, and because I took responsibility for the people closest to me, I was able to pay for his medication and treatments so he could live his last remaining days more comfortable. And the last thing he said to me before he passes away was, "Son, I'm proud of you." And for that, I would trade in all of my gold, all of my Rolexes, the Lambos, villas, and millions of dollars to have that moment again with my dad. It's not about the money, but what the money can do. Right, guys? So listen, this can happen to any family, but it is your duty and responsibility that whatever happens in life, the people closest to you will always be safe. Don't you agree? I hope that is a yes, guys. Just take a second to think about the people in your life who you could provide for. Your kids, your parents, your siblings, your grandparents. The high achiever done for you system can help you give them the life they always dreamed of. And of course, the life you always dreamed of. Remember that chart I showed you earlier on, where your days are a constant cycle of get up, go to work, and then repeating the whole thing over and over again. Let me show you a new way of living. Wake up, check your inbox and see that commissions came in while you were sleeping. Be a part of your kids' morning. Copy and paste viral content. Maybe make another high-ticket commission and then question marks. And what does those question marks mean? This graph only takes you up to 10 a.m., guys, and the rest of the day is yours to do whatever you want with it. Whether that's watching Netflix, spending time with your partner, traveling to new places, whatever you love to do. You can do anything knowing that at the same time, consistent traffic is flowing into your business, and with the automated system that is 100% done for you, your automated business will do all of the work for you while you're doing what you love and together with who you love. Does that sound awesome? And you might look at that scenario and think, I don't have kids, but that doesn't matter, guys. The point is that anyone can make this system work for them. We have moms of 5 kids and people of every age group, and even people working 2 jobs. Anyone can fit it into their schedule. Don't you agree? Anyone over the age of 13 can create an Instagram account. So as far as I'm concerned, anyone over the age of 13 has what it takes to use this system to build a new life for themselves. From garbage collectors to veterans to stay-at-home moms, from 18-year-olds to 71-year-olds, and many, many ages in between. Here's what they have to say about this system in their own words. $400 a day, every day, Jake. Daisy, I hit a huge milestone, 800,000 followers, and the commissions are rolling in. And she writes, just a few months ago, I was working 10 to 14 hours days, completely burned out. Now I'm doing 1 to 3 hours per day while at a treatment center with my mother. How cool is that, guys? This is why I do what I do. Maya, another commission while sleeping, making Thanksgiving at $3,400 a day. And the reason these guys are making it look easy is because all you have to do is copy and paste what I tell you. And we already established that everyone in this room can copy and paste. So if you're ready to get started using this system and see an almost immediately difference in your life as well as the people around you, click the link in the chat or around this video right now to secure your place and exclusive discount now. Let me remind you what's on offer inside the High Achiever Done For You. Complete Done For You setup of your new online business, 1 year of membership inside the High Achiever Society, 1 year of funnel building software paid for you, affiliate marketing mastery, internet traffic mastery, weekly live course with me, the 90-day step-by-step action plan I would follow if I lost it all, 30-minute one-on-one strategy accelerator call, plus exclusive done-for-you offers, total value of $57,000. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how much access to this program will cost you with that insane value listed right there. I'm not going to turn this into a long drawn-out process. I come right out and say it. This system is yours for just $5,000. But right now, I'm offering a new launch special with the constant updates in the members area, community, coaching, and mentorship. We will increase the price. But because this is a brand new launch special, I'm offering for the first few people who sign up a 50% discount, meaning that you will get the entire system for just $24.97. But I'm not stopping there. For a limited time only, I'm also throwing in 8 exclusive bonuses to help you go beyond what most people think is possible with affiliate marketing. So you can start seeing more views on your videos, more followers on your page, and high-ticket commissions coming into your inbox as soon as possible. Bonus number 1, done for you videos. Get direct access to viral video content straight from the members area. Simply copy and paste for instant increased engagement without you ever having to worry about content creation. Me and my team are also on it. Bonus number 2, 7+ weekly mentoring calls from the top 1% earners in this industry. Value $24,997. Remember, success leaves clues, and this is your chance to follow them. Every week, top 1% earners in this industry from around the world will host live calls where you'll have the chance to jump in, speak with them, and get your questions answered. Those are people who are earning multiple 6 or 7 figures using the same 90% automated online business that we are going to build for you. Here's your chance to literally learn from the best in the business so you can overcome your roadblocks, break down the hurdles in your way, eliminate doubts and embrace total confidence, make maximum money in minimum time. Remember the famous quote, "You are the sum of the people you spend the most time with." Now it's your chance to spend your time with the top 1% earners in this industry. What do you think will happen? Bonus number 3, 1 weekly live call with behind the scenes guy worth $10,000. I've admitted this before and I admit it again. I haven't got to where I am today on my own. A whole host of people have helped me along the way at various points, guys, okay? I want to introduce one of those people exclusively to you. My behind the scenes guy who helped me create my multiple 8-figure business in only 2.5 years. Join the High Achiever Done For You system and you will unlock weekly calls with my secret weapon. This is where my secrets really do become yours, guys. Bonus number 4, new mobile app. Access your circle of like-minded people, deep dive into the members area, and watch the live calls all in one place. Even if you're commuting, working, cooking, cleaning, picking up the kids, you can tune in at any time so you don't miss out on any of the important updates despite your busy schedule. Surround yourself with like-minded people instead of cat videos on TikTok and start to think, feel, and act like the powerhouse you are destined to be. Screen time will never be the same again. Bonus number 5, brand new top secret AI inception methods, how to tap into a $399 billion industry. AI has changed. Now, it can now do so much more than just create funny images of Dumbledore eating McDonald's. Out of sight of the public, AI has been evolving, growing, and transforming into something more advanced than what we thought was possible in such a short space of time. The robots may not literally be taking over just yet, but they are certainly capable of taking over millions of jobs and responsibilities. Yes, you can use that to your advantage. Learn how my team has been testing and refining AI behind the scenes to take care of hundreds of tasks inside of your business, save you thousands of hours, and make money faster than humanly possible. This is the inception of the age of AI. Bonus number 6, unlock the free time traffic with zero work module powered by AI. Once you got the hang with AI, there is more that we want to share with you. Not only can AI help you run a faceless account and effortlessly create content, it can also help boost the traffic your page gets. Imagine 3 times the traffic without putting in any more work. That's what this module will show you, and I can't wait to reveal what I've got up my sleeve. Bonus number 7, my very own custom-built AI for 100% unique viral content. I've personally trained a custom AI GPT so it can spit out 100% unique viral video scripts for you in a matter of seconds. Just input an idea and it will instantly give you scripts based on my secret content framework. Bonus number 8, my secret nuclear formula. I use it to skyrocket and become among the top 1% earners in the world, value of $72,000. That seems like a huge amount of value, but listen, this is information that I paid $72,000 from a professional mentor, literally one of the best in the business. And call me crazy, but I'm passing that information along to you for free. I'm not going to try and pass it off as my own. I want you to have it. And with this bonus comes the promise of further information whenever I find out new strategies and secrets, so you are never left behind. You will get all of the updates as soon as I invest in new mentors to learn new methods, and I constantly invest in myself. So with this, I will share everything I learn from new mentors in the future. This is your chance to position yourself in the first place before the race has even started, guys. And with this, I will share how to go nuclear and potentially 10x your results in 10x less time. So let's put all of that into the mix. Complete done-for-you setup of your new online business, 1 year of membership inside the High Achiever Society, 1 year of funnel building software paid for you, affiliate marketing mastery, internet traffic mastery, weekly live calls with me, the 90-day step-by-step action plan that I would follow if I lost it all, 30-minute one-on-one strategy accelerator call, plus exclusive done-for-you offers, and then exclusive one-time bonuses, done-for-you videos, 7+ weekly mentoring calls from the top 1% earners in this industry, 1 weekly live call with behind-the-scenes guy, new mobile app, brand new top-secret AI inception methods, unlock the 3 times traffic with zero work, my very own custom-built AI for 100% unique viral content, and my secret nuclear formula. I use it to skyrocket and become among some of the top 1% earners in the world. Total value of $179,000, usually price $5,000. Exclusive price for the first few people, $24.97. Guys, this really is insane, right? And I don't want to worry you, but since I dropped the link a couple of minutes ago, we already had a couple of signups, so you do not want to sleep on this offer, okay? Warning, limited spots available. This offer won't be around forever at this price. When we are hosting 7+ live calls a week and offering to personally mentor people, teaching them how to get started in the world of high-ticket digital marketing, it isn't physically possible for us to offer the High Achiever done-for-you system to everyone. We are striving to build an intimate learning environment, and we do not want to reach the point where we're diluting the high-quality atmosphere we have created. To ensure all questions can be answered, all concerns can be addressed, and all fears can be crushed, we have a limit on how many members we accept. For those who are serious about leveling up and reaching their craziest lifestyle goals, unlocking time freedom, and total financial security as soon as possible, you must jump in as soon as possible. But let's quickly address the elephant in the room. Even with those bonuses included, I'm sure some of you still think that $24.97 is a lot of money. And when you are on a low-paying job like I was when I was a plumber, it absolutely is a lot of money. I completely agree with you guys. But just let me remind you of the earning potential. Colby surpassing the $100,000 milestone. In her own words, to anyone still on the fence, I urge you, take the leap and start today. Every day spent in doubt is a missed opportunity for growth. Go all in and make the transformation happen in your life. JJ made another $2,000 commission, a total of $4,700 in a day. Jill earning $4,000 while on a vacation in Dubai. Mel getting a Rolex and a $100,000 award personally from me for hitting the amazing $100,000 milestone. Yes, I gave her a Rolex. And I could keep doing this day in and day out and share unique stories from hundreds, if not thousands of different people, guys. I want you to be next. You've seen how much my other students are making. You could make back your initial investment in weeks or even days if you commit to the training and go all in. Yes, this has been done before. Let me make one thing clear. The results you have seen are from truly exceptional high achievers whose hard work and determination go above and beyond what most people are willing to put in. However, let me ask you, how bad do you want it? How bad do you want to change your life and the life of the people you love? Think about your mom, your dad, your grandparents, your sister, your brother, your kids. Whose life do you want to impact and change forever? I'm 100% confident with my High Achiever Done For You system, you can do it with my help. Take doctors, for example. You know the profession that your mom, grandpa, teacher, and neighbor want you to get into as a kid. Remember that? Well, get this and keep that number 2497 in your mind, all right? Wannabe doctors pay on average around $330,000 to get qualified and have to invest 10 years of their life into it. Then, only when they are fully qualified and have experience, they earn on average $237,000 a year. Yep, you got that math right. That first year of full salary doesn't even cover those crippling college fees, but that's not all. They are also working 12-hour long shift with no breaks in high pressure scenarios day in and day out. So I ask you now, how does an investment today of just $24.97 sound to build a time, money, and fully location independent automated online business? Because remember, me and my team are putting in 90% of the work for you. I set up all of the tech for you, which is the hardest, most frustrating and costly part of any business. I removed all of that for you. It's gone. The rest is up to you, but you will have all of the support, guidance, and resources you need to make that remaining 10% as simple as possible. And remember, thanks to AI, the last 10% is easier than you think. And remember, $24.97 is your all-in investment for success, because you won't be paying any of the usually costs associated with this kind of business. No ClickFunnels fees, no hosting domain name cost, nothing spent on Facebook ads. We create your funnel and even pay the hosting fees for it, so you will literally save thousands of dollars per year. That alone is literally the cost of the program I'm offering you here today, guys. Literally. It could not be more affordable or any easier. The only thing you need is to spend $20 a month on automation we even set up for you. This is the way. Inside of the High Achiever Done For You system, unlocking your dream life really is possible, but only if you refuse to settle for average. You can create an immensely powerful affiliate marketing business of your own that's capable of replacing your full-time income, without having to sell, without having to act like a sleazy salesman, without having to create brand new products of your own, without having to slide into people's DMs and build relationships. So you can then live life exactly the way you want. Free from the 9 to 5, free from debt, free to spend time with the people you love, doing what you love. There's literally no need to be the next content king or queen posting 5 to 6 times a day at carefully timed intervals. No need at all. The irony is that so many people slave away at the computer, spending hours writing one piece of content for only 1 or 2 people to even click the offer. I know you don't want that. You don't want to worry about where your customers or traffic is coming from. And with the High Achiever Done For You system, you don't have to. The only thing you have to worry about is deciding what to do with all of your free time when your business takes off, because that, guys, is the power of true passive income. And in case you think we're not serious about building your business for you, I have a power guarantee just for you. We will set up your 90% done for your business in 48 hours or less, or we give you $500 guaranteed. But honestly, I don't think it will come to that. Me and my team are ready to get straight to work on your online business. And at this point, we are expert at this, having built businesses for hundreds of aspiring entrepreneurs. I'm actually kind of jealous that you're in this position right now here guys, because this is everything I wanted when I was starting my journey making money online just a few years ago. I lost over $20,000 trying to make money online through listening to false promises, broken methods, and a whole lot of completely shady people. I spent 2 years trying and failing on repeat. The High Achiever Done For You is the system I would give to myself if I could go back in time and meet my younger self. But I didn't just create it with this back to the future scenario in mind. When I first started out, I told myself and my mom that when I eventually got the results I wanted, I would find a way to give back to people in the same situation as me. People who have been stung by gurus or suffered for years and were generally wanting to turn their life around. So I created the High Achiever Done For You system. That's my vision. With the High Achiever Done For You system, there are no deadlines to meet and your work is entirely self-paced. Like I said before, guys, you will not find a better way than this to make real passive income. Even if you have a busy schedule, I've got students with full-time jobs or their full-time careers, and they can still get amazing results in their spare time. This business model is so efficient, it takes very little time to get incredible results because you will be doing everything the right way from the start. Do not allow yourself to make any excuses. By attempting something outside your comfort zone, you allow yourself to learn and earn. Look at me. I'm a guy from Denmark and my English is far from perfect. You probably have noticed that by now. But I'm among the top 1% earners in the world, earning thousands of dollars a day. In fact, a big portion of my students right now are from non-English speaking countries. And if they can get the results, so can you. Don't you agree? It's not about intelligence. It's not about your language skills. Honestly, guys, this system requires next to no brain cells to get working because it is all done for you. Once again, right now you can unlock the High Achiever Done For You system and receive all of this, a complete Done For You setup of your new online business, 1 year membership inside the High Achiever Society, now for free, 1 year of funnel building software paid for you, now for free, affiliate marketing mastery, internet traffic mastery, weekly live course with me, the 90-day step-by-step action plan I would personally follow if I lost it all, 30-minute one-on-one strategy accelerator call, and then even Done For You videos, 7+ weekly mentoring calls from the top 1% earners in this industry, 1 weekly live call with behind-the-scenes guy, new mobile app, brand new top secret AI inception methods, unlock the 3 times traffic with zero work, training powered by AI, my very own custom built AI for 100% unique viral content, my secret nuclear formula I use it to skyrocket and become among the top 1% earners in this world. Total value of $179,000, usually price $5,000. Exclusive price for launch special $24.97, that's 50% off, plus my power guarantee. Get $500 if we don't set up your business within 48 hours. Guys, believe me when I say that this system has changed my life and my family's life forever. And it can change your life too for just $24.97 or free payments of $1,247. But remember, this price is only available during the launch special, and I cannot promise how long I can keep this price at the current price point. Because we are constantly improving the mentorship program, the automated business we build for our students, the constant updates to the members area, the constant new resources for members, and all of the additional live courses we add to the community. The price as it is will not stay the same for long. So if you're ready to see how far the High Achiever Done For You system can take you, your journey into affiliate marketing starts right here. Click the link in the chat or around this video right now to secure your place and exclusive discount now. And remember, if we don't get your online business set up within 48 hours, you have my word that we will send you $500 as our way of saying sorry. You will not find this offer anywhere else online, guys. So do not wait a second longer. Click the link in the chat or around this video right now to secure your place and exclusive discount now. When you click the link on or around this video, you will come to a page that looks like this. Then you can click this button here with the arrows, and then you will fill out your details as shown on the screen. Then you can choose your payment plan. You can pay with either PayPal or a card. If the payment fails, that means you need to call your bank and say you're trying to purchase something online for $24.97, and they will let the payment go through. And as promised at the beginning of this training, I will show you how you can get your hands on this by paying nothing today. If you live in the US or Canada, you can choose the Klarna or the Affirm option and get interest-free funding all the way from 12 to 36 months. I am 100% confident in my system, and with the track record of the success stories I have created in a very, very short period of time, and if you take action and actually take this seriously, I would be very shocked if it gets you nowhere. And right now you have these two on your shoulders. The devil says, you shouldn't do it. Maybe, what if you fail? And the other guy, the good guy, be like, yeah, but what if you succeed? What if you succeed? What then? And you might also be thinking, but I've taken programs like this before with no results. So the first one is lack of action. That's on you, right? I can't go to your computer or your phone and click the buttons. You have to do that. But the other two, we have you covered. Training is too overwhelming or confusing? Nope, not anymore. There is no support, accountability, or coaching. We got you covered. We got everything. There is a team of 50 people behind the name Philip Johansson to help you, guide you, lift you up, and mentor you all the way. We got you, guys. We got you with this one, right? You're one decision away from transforming your life. I went from $20,000 in debt to over $200,000 in just 180 days, and I became the top 1% affiliate in the world. And I could literally do this every day, all day, sharing all the testimonials we have. Berta made $5,600 while hanging at the pool. Jacqueline made $50,000 in 30 days. Jordy getting free leads every single minute. Mel's spouse got into a motorcycle accident because they had no money for a car and car insurance. After we built her the very same system you are getting your hands on today, she was now able to buy a brand new Tesla. And she even made $3,000 while picking up the new Tesla. How crazy is that, guys? And I even got a full folder on my desktop with countless success stories we have created. A full folder, guys. I can scroll endlessly through it. And then I want to say something Tony Robbins said. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and start getting excited about what could go right. I will set up the well-oiled automated machine for you. So we're going to teach you how to do these simple 7-second videos. We send it into the automated system that do all of the selling for you. And then it will automatically sell high-ticket affiliate offers for you. Worst case scenario. Example, make your investment back. Autopilot $1,000 commissions, that's just 2 sales. Autopilot $2,000 commission, that's 1 sale. Autopilot $5,000 commission, that's 3K profit already. Best case scenario, $39,800 in 5 weeks, just like Lexi. $900 while having a barbecue with your family. $3,000 in the first 5 days of the month. $1,500 while playing golf. I could sit here for the next 24 hours sharing with you all of the success stories we have created. So listen, guys, you're going to get all of this complete done-for-you setup of your brand new online business, 1 year of membership inside the High Achiever Society, normally $997 per year, now for free. 1 year of funnel building software paid for you, worth $1,164 per year, now free. Affiliate marketing mastery, internet traffic mastery, weekly live calls with me, the 90-day step-by-step action plan I would follow if I lost it all, 30-minute one-on-one strategy accelerator call, plus exclusive done-for-you offers. Then you get the bonuses, done-for-you videos, 7+ weekly mentoring calls from the top 1% earners in this industry, 1 weekly live call with behind-the-scenes guy, new mobile app, brand new top secret AI inception methods, unlock the 3 times traffic with zero work training powered by AI, my very own custom-built AI for 100% unique viral content, my secret nuclear formula I use it to skyrocket and become among the top 1% earners in this world, total value of $179,000, exclusive price for launch special $24.97, that is 50% off right now, plus my power guarantee, get $500 if we don't set up your business within 48 hours. This is your chance to make it happen. Let me ask you, how long have you been saying, I start tomorrow, I start next week? That week becomes a month, that month becomes 6 months, that 6 months become a whole year, and then you say, I will do it in the new year, right? And nothing ever happens, nothing changes because you keep adding time to everything. Now is the time to do it, guys. The last thing you want to add to anything is time. Warning, due to constant updates, we cannot hold this price forever. So you get all of this and all of the exclusive bonuses. Total value of $179,000, exclusive price for launch special, only $24.97, 50% off. So do not wait a second longer. Click the link in the chat or around this video right now to secure your place and exclusive discount right now. When you click the link on around this video, you will come to a page that looks like this, and you click the button with the arrows, and then you will fill out the details as shown on the screen. Then you can choose your payment plan. You can pay with either PayPal or card. And remember, if you live in the US or Canada, you can choose the Klarna or the Affirm option and get interest-free funding all the way from 12 to 36 months. So, Thomas Jefferson, if you want something you never had, you must be willing to do something you have never done. Life is too short to be miserable. Miserable driving to a job you hate every day. Miserable looking in the freezer for leftovers. Miserable saying no to your spouse for going out this month. Miserable not being able to buy the things that you want. And I want everyone to be able to have what they want in life. Ready to 10x your new business in 10x less time? Get an insanely profitable 90% automated online business built for you and generate maximum money in minimum time without selling or setting anything up yourself. Click the link on around the video right now to secure your spot. All right, everybody, I'm going to wrap things up now, but I want to thank you all for coming along today and giving me your time. I really appreciate it. And if you're still here watching, that should tell you that you are serious about this and that you want this, okay? So don't deny yourself the opportunity to start this new chapter in your life. You want this? Let's get started right now, right here. Don't just go back to watching free YouTube videos after this training session. They will not get you where you want to be. If you truly want to quit your 9 to 5, get out of debt, achieve true time, money, and location freedom, and do it without wasting 12 months of your life learning a new skill, going into more debt to buy products you don't know if it's going to sell or not. This is the only way to do it. Let's get the results that you want. One more time, thank you for being here and thank you for joining me inside today's training video. I hope to see you inside of the High Achiever Done For You system real soon. This is Philip Johansson signing out. Thanks guys, let's get it.